Here I have Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first let's open settings, then you go to the sound and vibration section, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. So here you can switch this mode. Here you can add exceptions to it. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it, and you can also hide notifications, like you can only hide sound from notification, or you can hide visuals and sound too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.